It's always a difficult decision whether to purchase glass, plastic, or silicone containers to store your child's food. I also grappled with this decision, but in the end, I got these OXO Talk glass food storage containers. Hi, I'm Saba, and I'll share with you why these glass containers made the most sense for us. We purchased these 5 years ago when our kiddo was just getting ready to start eating actual food. I never bought store-bought purees or baby food. I always made everything at home, so I needed suitable containers for storage. One of the reasons why these containers are the best is that they have a thick wall. While they are small containers, they are pretty heavy for the size, and most of that weight is the strength of these containers. I have had these fall on the ground multiple times, and I have yet to get a chip. They close tight and there is no chance of leaking. Trust me, I have found these upside down in my diaper bag with pureed food inside them and it's never even leaked a drop. I really like that it comes with this tray and that you could stack these on top of each other because that helps with storage in the freezer or the fridge or even just in the pantry. Now, while I use this for my children's food, now that they're grown out of that phase, you're probably thinking, what will you do with them after? Well, you don't need to fret about that either. If you ever host dinners or need to store some condiments in a container, these are a perfect size for that. You can leave the lid off, put a cute little spoon inside, and then when your guests leave, just put the lid on and put it in your fridge. You don't have to worry about transferring from one container to another, which we all know is such a hassle. I absolutely love these containers. They are durable, practical, and far exceed the value. I've had these for 5 years, and they have gone through 3 kids and many dinner parties already, and they still look like new.